Singing Water is a special place. Last year we clocked in at about 100,000 visitors that came out. So Singing Water's kind of like built in that unique area of the Texas Hill Country. My wife and I, Missy, we bought this place in 2019. Most of our concrete work that we did over the years took place 3 or 4 years ago, but the stains started to wear pretty heavily. A couple years ago at my house, my personal house, we had this pool, and Sundek did all the decking around our pool. And so I called our local Sundek office, immediately got in touch with Steve, and we started dialoguing about the possibilities.
When I got to the winery, it was amazing to actually look at the attention to detail that they put out here. Just the setting and the environment that it's in. It was very impressive. There are several areas around the property that we looked at to get our finishes applied to, anywhere from the winery to the treehouse area. But ultimately, Andy picked the residents on the property to start with, which in turn, the finish that we did out here is really one of our higher end finishes. And that was kind of fun to start there so he could really see the talent that we have and how it fit into what he has out here on the location.
We came up with a unique Tuscan look and feel against a yellow limestone. And the idea is if we went just a little bit of an off-white, it would help us pull out the yellow and browns more in the stonework. The team that works on this, they're somewhat artists. They would lay down basically the first foundation, then they would come back and tape through what the unique lines were going to be, and then you would actually see them using the different machines to hand carve what would become a square stone or a rectangle stone. Blown away by that because they got the lines straight, they got everything just looked perfect. We had one guest come up right away and was looking at the property and thought that we had put stone down. And when I told them it's not stone, they were blown away, getting very close on their hands and knees and saying, no, this is stone, and I had to tell them it's not. The other thing that got some peace of mind, right, is that if there's a little nick or a crack appears, Sundek comes out and repairs that. And so very happy because, as you think things will settle on an old piece of property, it's going to settle here, and it's really unique and refreshing that a company like Sundek will come out and make those adjustments for us. It's been just an amazing experience. Couldn't be happier. In fact, we were actually talking about other areas of the property that they're going to be working on here in the coming months.
This was a perfect fit for us, no doubt about it. We're a high-end contractor, and that's kind of how we look at this. And then you see a high-end place like Singing Water, and it just seemed like a perfect fit for us.